morning. It's a lovely wet day today here in Northwest Florida, and I am heading out for the day. I have an appointment with my accountant this morning where I'll be discussing my new accounting software. Okay, I will be leaving QuickBooks that I've been using for probably since I've started, like 7-8 years. And I am going to Xero. It's a new software that my accounting team likes, and I'm gonna give it a go. Hopefully I like it. I know that it's easy for them, and when it's easy for them, it's gonna be easier for us all. So I'm getting my tutorial on how it works today. They've already been moving all my stuff, my past 3 years, into the system. My parents have just moved into a smaller home, and I mean, they have 2 storage units full of stuff. And I was talking to one of my good friends last night when we went to dinner, and her mother just passed, and she said how she had pretty much sorted all her stuff before she died, and there really wasn't much to clean the house out. And I'm like, oh my goodness, if I had to move, or if I all of a sudden died, I'd have so much stuff that probably nobody cares about but me. Even kids, like, I save them. But I've heard where parents, you know, they'll start sorting all this stuff out. They're downsizing, they're moving into their small house, and they like give the kids all these things they've saved, and the kids are like, I don't want that. They don't care about it. It's us parents that care about it. So I'm like trying to decide what stuff is of value and that I feel like is important as like a memory of their youth, and what is stuff that I'm just holding on to because I have some sort of sentimental hoarding condition that I need to work through. If you feel that way, let me know in the comments and tell me some of the things that you do to just help yourself let go of stuff. And yeah, because that's the battle. How do we let go of the stuff that, like, I've heard people say, if I haven't used it in 1 year, it's gone. Like, that's how they do their clothes stuff. I do say, have I worn this in a year? But the only items that doesn't work for me, if it is a specialty item, like a pair of pants that I would wear in Kenya. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna wear these until I go to Kenya again. Do you think I should save these in a box or in the closet that's like for Kenya trips only, or just get rid of it? Anyways, that's a lot of information that I'm going through, but I will see you after the account and let you know how Xero is, this software program. I'm sure it's gonna be good. I don't know. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, we just made it here. Lucy came with me. She ran out the door this morning. Like, you're not leaving without me. So hopefully they don't mind. Lucy, my purse, and my computer bag. So I am here. I'm gonna go meet with her. I won't be able to bring the camera, but I'll let you know how it goes when I come back. Bye. Okay, I just came out. Lucy went with me. She was so quiet, huh, Lucy? She didn't even hardly make a chirp. That nobody even knew she was in there. And I was in there like 3 hours. We got a lot of stuff done, like a ton. She really sat with me, spent the time. I feel really comfortable in what I learned. So it was a good experience. I'm really excited about using this new software. It's called Xero, and it even feeds right into my bank account. So I don't have to like worry about all the downloads and everything. So it's really good. I'm going home. James is making some chicken sandwiches. So let's go. We've made it home. So I'm gonna see about these chicken sandwiches. I haven't eaten anything today. The day is getting away from me. Are you ready to come inside, Lucy? Okay. Well, I'm so hungry that my stomach hurts. Are we home? You home? Lucy had to go with me today. She got in the car and everything. She was like, you're not leaving without me. You want me to sit down? And everybody leave her alone. She's so bossy. So James and I just left the house. We're gonna go to storage and run a couple errands, and I have to run into the bank. On one of my company things, there was somebody bounced a check on a commission payment. So I've gotta go see what I need to do about that. Okay, we're done at the storage. Now we're gonna go pick up the metal gas lanterns we have. underneath our other house. But one thing I'm not for sure is if there's people renting the house. So if there's people there, we're not going to be able to go by. Also, I've got to swing by. I'm going to drop these off at the donation center because I'm keeping those other lights or lamps that I brought back from Lagoon Manor. I just made it home and my daughter says, can we go pick up her friends? I'm always going, I feel like. Taking things down a little bit at a time. This is all the linens that go in our camper van. We've been washing. It seems like we're still playing catch up from being gone so long. And we're getting all the couches washed because like the stains on this thing got really bad. I'm gonna go hand wash these. And then I had these cubbies made for blankets and we put James's weights in there too. And I'm gonna get rid of these two things. It's like a homeschool little desk and then an old Snuggie. Let's go wash these. So these are the cup holders that go on the bench, but they're always collecting junk in them. See, all clean. It has some sort of stain in it, this one. Okay, let's go put them where they go. They actually go right here. So those are cup holders. And this is a charging station. I got this couch. I wanted a love sack really bad when we bought this house. But like I was pricing them online and they were like $12,000. So I just like kept searching and searching. And no joke, this love sack came on the market for sale. I bought it on Facebook Marketplace for $800. So good steal of a deal. These were the lamps I just brought from Lagoon Manor. So they replaced the green ones that I just donated to Goodwill. I like them because they're mother of pearl and they match my mother of pearl sconces right here. Okay, James just beeped. It's time for us to go. I've been listing all these things on Facebook Marketplace. I'm like totally trying to get rid of stuff and get room in my home like crazy. I want everything nice and neat. Okay, bye guys. See you later. I got my lemon water ready. Okay, well, because it's an anonymous group, I can't bring you in. So I'll see you when I get home. Okay, we just made it back. We're actually in my parents' garage. We used their car tonight because they are using James's truck. And listen to our frogs. It's a symphony. Are you getting Odie? It does sound like a symphony of frogs, doesn't it? Are you going to shut the garage? There's my baby. There she is, guys. Hello. Hello. James is back to couch duty.
Oh, this is dry, all dirty.
Is it dirty? Ew, that is dirty water. Like this area looks still dirty. What's like this?
Yeah.
But is that just the color?
It's the color. Once it dries, it's going to be a lot whiter, but I'm thinking I'm still going to wash it one more time though.
Yeah. Hey, I'm going upstairs. Gonna go watch some Criminal Minds. Actually just remembered I need to go do Leo's medicine. Come here, we gotta do your medicine, buddy. Gotta do your medicine. Okay, let's go downstairs. It's a big cat. See how big he is? Ooh, let's get you some food. That'll make you happy. So this is not very easy to do with a cat. He fights me the whole time. So this is the easier one. It's all ready to go. Come here, buddy. Come here. I just gotta do it fast, like that. Okay, he's just back at eating again. So messy too. Okay, now let's do the other one. This is the one that's a little harder. And what I've been doing is I've been dissolving it in water. It makes them a little bit easier for them to swallow. So like I dissolve it in here. The vet told me this trick and they really can't spit it out when it's water and it dissolves quickly. See, so now I gotta suck it up with the syringe. Okay, now I gotta do this one. Okay, it's okay. Let's just get this over with. Okay, good boy. Okay, now you can go back to your food. There you go. I'm all done. All done. So gross. Here, eat your food. It's all done. Eat your food. I have to feed Casper outside away from Lucy because Casper gets really aggressive with food. Okay, so ignore my luggage. I'm still getting unpacked. James and I'm almost done. A little bit left. But so I've been going to the chiropractor and they sent me home with these discs. These little, not discs, but I don't know, foam things that I have to use. So this goes underneath my shoulders and then my neck goes back there and this goes under my right hip. And I have to lay here every day for 10 minutes. and it's helping me get the curve back in my neck and help my hips because I've had 2 falls and my hips are a little bit off. So I've been trying this to see if it helps improve like my blood pressure and my nervous system because it's all combined, and I think it's helping. So I'll let you know how it goes, but I'm gonna do my exercises and then I'm heading to bed. So I will see you tomorrow. Good night.